do it. I think. Yeah. Watch yourself. Ow!
I'm free and it feels like my heart's exploding, like I could touch the sky. All the plans that I have made finally become real. Yeah.
Alright, so what we've got here is we've got 3 lines strung out, and that's this first line here is where the toilet pipe comes up. This blue string is for the shower, and then the yellow string is where the washer is going to be, the washing machine. And then these lines intersect those. So this one with the yellow one back here is for the toilet. This blue one with the blue one here is for the shower. And then this one's for the washing machine. The kitchen sink's going to go over there. And then up here we're going to have the
Bathroom sink.
yeah, we're going to have the bathroom sink. So I've got all of these plumbing pieces laid out. And I know that I'll need to order a sweep to come up for the toilet here. So we're going to get that. And got to get a reducer for here to go from 3-inch to 2-inch. And then I have to get a 45 for that guy to come over to the bathroom sink that's going to be over there. So that's pretty much it. Just got a lot of digging to do now. Through the crust.
You! Where's your protective gear?
What?
Where are your protective eyewear and stuff?
Well, I got some in Canyon. There's some at the store, but I don't have any here.
This plastic really don't ever splinter off.
13.5.
Thanks, mister. Alright, so we know that the wall is 15 inches from the center of this guy. So it means we need a piece. That's the inside thing. So we need a piece about 8 inches long, it looks like. Hang on now before we commit. What I need is somebody to hold this tape measure in the end of that pipe down there inside the flange. You know how you measure to the lip? You'll have to take it under those strings. Okay, you got it?
Yeah, to the left or the inside?
The inside.
Okay. Inside.
9 feet. 2-inch pipe, 9 feet long, Chris.
9 feet to in.
Yes, sir.
Writing's gonna be up.
Straight up and down. Might be a little bit much, but turn it back your way because it's too much.
Actually, there's 2 of these.
2 3-inchers.
Yep.
Good.
Do we have any tape, like grade tape, duct tape?
No, not here. This is what plumbing looks like in our house now, or is going to look like in our house when we get it built. This is we're in the stages of getting ready to put in the rebar for concrete. Also, that'll be in the next day or 2 or 3. But anyway, this is kind of what that looks like. Give you a little bit better idea, maybe. Goes like that. We got everything pretty much running against one of the outside walls. That's where our water is going to come in. It's so much easier that way. You don't have to run water all over the place, just one spot. 1 or 2 spots and you're good to go. Here we are digging a water line from our pump. To our house. As you can see, some pretty hard ground right down in there. Here comes that bucket. They're gonna try to get the surface. They're gonna try to break up that there rock. They're hard down. He's getting us. And this is with our new old 1957 Ford tractor. 851, I believe it is. 861. We just had to give it a little bit more gas to give a little bit more power. I think there's a big rock right in there. This tractor is working out.
today we ran into some troubles with our brand new old tractor that we bought. And this cylinder that goes from this pin down to inside the boom here started shooting out liquid. Chris called my attention to it. So we managed to get the cylinder worked out of all this mess, and we took it over to Pueblo. They're rebuilding it for us, and they said it'll be ready next week sometime. So we're kind of at a standstill digging this ditch. We're only about a third of the way done. Yeah, not quite half. And there's a lot of rock in this soil that I wasn't expecting. I mean, I know this is the Rocky Mountains, but this area usually has been pretty free of rocks. But Chris's place. So we're gonna wait for that to get done. We're gonna work on the plumbing and the slab some more. Get done with that while we're waiting on this to be done, and we'll end up being pretty much on time. Cameraman Chris, he does such an awesome job. Also known as Darth Vader.